Welcome, young magicians, to the world of magic earth healing. Imagine our planet as a magical being that needs our help to feel better. Together, we can use our special powers to make a difference. To heal our magical earth, we need to make eco-friendly choices every day. It's like casting spells of love and care. We can use less electricity, recycle, and save water. These small acts create big magic and bring balance and harmony back to our planet. Just like in a magical story, we can create a brighter and greener world for everyone to enjoy. So grab your wands and let's embark on an enchanting journey of love and healing. With our magical powers and eco-friendly choices, we can make our earth shine with happiness and joy. Are you ready to be part of a magical earth healing team? Let's spread love and care for our planet and create a magical world where nature thrives and we all live in harmony. Together, we can all make a difference. This is Climate Folklore, mindfully composed for Gen Alpha by me, Clive Dennis Cole. Once upon a time, in a land not too far away, there lived a magical earth. It was full of wonders and beauty, but in need of your help to heal. Picture the earth as a majestic being with vibrant colours and sparkling energy. In this enchanting tale, you are the heroes with incredible magic powers. You hold the key to restoring balance and harmony to our planet. How, you ask? By making eco-friendly choices and spreading love for our earth. Every day, you can use your magical powers to make a difference. When you turn off lights when you leave a room, the earth feels your love and grows stronger. When you use a recyclable water bottle instead of a plastic one, the earth smiles and dances with joy. Together, we can cast spells of kindness and care. Planting trees become a magical ritual as you watch them grow tall and strong, absorbing the earth's worries and releasing clean air for all to breathe. As you explore the world around you, remember to tread lightly. Pick up litter and transform it into something beautiful with your magical touch. Spread seeds of kindness and watch them bloom into beautiful flowers, attracting bees and butterflies to bring harmony to nature. By using your magical powers and making eco-friendly choices, you become the Earth's healer. You create a world where birds sing melodies of gratitude and rivers flow with crystal clear water. The earth is filled with happiness and all living beings thrive in this magical harmony. So, young magicians, embark on this extraordinary journey of magic earth healing. Together with love and care, we will restore our earth's magic and ensure a bright and wonderful future for ourselves and for future generations.